50 grade 10 students mula sa iba't ibang Starbucks School beneficiaries ang naglaban-laban sa Starbucks WISB. Sa pangalawang araw ng National Youth Science, Technology and Innovation Festival, ginanap ang Starbucks WISB kung saan naglaban-laban sa semifinals ang 50 grade 10 students na nagmula sa Starbucks School beneficiaries galing sa National Capital Region, Calabarzon at Region 3.
Ang talagang pangunahing dahilan kung bakit ginawa nating premier event ng NISTIF ang Starbucks WISB ay dahil naging matagumpay ang pagdaos natin ng unang Starbucks WISB na ginawa sa Governor Ferrer Memorial High School. Sa tulong ng ASMEPS, we were able to draw a lot of participants, especially from Region 4A and some schools in Region 3 and NCR.
Mayroong 3 round ang semifinals, ang easy, average at difficult, at ang mga katanungan galing sa subject na mathematics at science. At mula sa 50 estudyante, 5 lang ang naglaban-laban sa finals. Abednego Sugkang mula sa Francisco E. Barzaga Integrated High School. Jana Marian Valdemoro Sena ng Sisters of Mary of Banyok Incorporated. Mula naman sa Pasay City National Science High School, Stephen Blaze Gabor. At si John Patrick Gelason at Princess Hannah Bernalugana na mula naman sa Carmona National High School. At ang nagwagi bilang 2024 Starbucks WISB champion mula sa Carmona National High School, John Patrick Gelason.
I reviewed topics po and I also watched the previous online quizzes in the Starbucks Facebook page live. In this Starbucks competition po, it was really fun for me and I really enjoyed it, especially the process or the system when it comes to the quiz bee. Then there were also some topics that I faced that was very challenging, which was very fun.
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang NISTIF hanggang sa Sabado at iba't ibang events pa rin ang nakaabang para sa mga estudyante para mag-enjoy at matuto sa mundo ng agham, teknolohiya at inobasyon. At yan ang aking balitagham. Muli ako po si Zay Soriano, delivering science for the people. 1UST for you.